Hello and welcome. This is Daisy from TechxMedia, Media, and we have here with us Mr. Dhiren from Khiara stores. How are you, Mr. Dhiren?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
It's a family-run business. We've been in the UAE since 1955. It was started by my late grandfather.
Right.
So it's a third-generation business. We've been in Dubai, like I said, since 1955.
Right.
We focus into distribution of everything household. So let's say from your plates in your house to your glassware.
Right.
Everything for a house. So we started from household and now we're into modern retail and HoReCa. So we supply and distribute one of the best brands in the world, Ocean Glassware from Thailand, Lucaris Crystalware from Thailand. And then we have borosilicate glass, Borosil Glassware from India also. So we're into distribution and we supply, yeah.
Right. So how has this year been? How is the achievements like? I mean, would you like to highlight something?
So this year has been very good. I think every year living in Dubai, there's a trend of everything changing per year.
Right.
And especially now, the last 3 months have been very busy for us. For the next 3 months that we have, is because winter is here and everyone's preparing for winter. All the restaurants are expanding. So everyone's looking into expansion. So that's good for us and helps people out.
Right, right. How do you think this shift is helping you promote your products?
So the shift, the brand shift itself, they have a lot of good products under them, and especially all the brands that you see here under shift, let's say Blendjet, Wakako, and other brands that they have. So they're all our online exclusive brands only.
Right.
So if a customer wants to buy any Shift LLC brands that are there, they can just go online and buy it online, and that's actually helped us a lot because once you have very good brands, established brands that are established in the world, that kind of helps promote your brand because, again, like I said, they're online exclusive only, and our online is just 2 years old now. So having a brand like this actually gives people that trust that this is a good website, it's a reputable website, so we can get our products from it.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Dhiren,
for
joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and stay tuned to TechxMedia. Media.